Welcome to Reddy Technologies. Where is automated testing mandatory? Automated testing, or you can say automation testing. Where is automated testing mandatory? In a previous video, I explained where is manual testing mandatory. For example, for conducting usability testing, manual testing mandatory. Test tools can't judge user friendliness of the system, or you can say look and feel aspects of the system. Next, where is automated testing mandatory? See, here observe 3 points: ways of software testing, levels of software testing, types of software testing. Then I can answer where is automated testing mandatory. First, ways of software testing. Software testing can be done in two ways. One is traditional manual testing, another is automation testing. Next, we are considering automation testing or automated testing. Next, levels of software testing. We have 4 levels of software testing: unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and the acceptance testing. Our test level is we independent testers conduct software testing at system testing level. We conduct testing on integrated system. Say in unit testing also testers are there, developers are testers. They follow manual testing as well as some tools available, test tools available for unit testing. For example, JUnit, TestNG, like unit test tools are there. Okay, our level is not unit test level. See here, consider system test level. System test level. Ways of software testing: automated testing. Levels of software testing: system testing. Next, types of software testing. Say we have several types of software testing: functional testing, next non-functional testing. In non-functional testing, we have several subcategories: performance testing, usability testing, availability testing, this one security testing, compatibility testing, localization testing, internationalization testing, installation testing, hardware testing, etc. Okay, say in software testing we have several types. In these types, functional testing is having highest market share. Say nearly 65% market share goes to functional testing. Remaining all test types: performance testing, security testing, compatibility testing, localization testing, internationalization testing, etc., are having below 35%. Okay, functional testing can be done in two ways: using manual testing, or using automated testing. Manual testing and automated testing both are possible for functional testing. Next, performance testing. Performance testing. In case of performance testing, manual testing is impractical. Here, automated testing is practical. So we can say automated testing is mandatory for conducting performance testing. Why? Manual testing impractical. Suppose if you want to apply 5,000 concurrent users load on your application, it is not possible. See, organizing 5,000 missions means computers, 5,000 test engineers, it is impractical. If it is test tool, JMeter, load runner, QA web load, Neo load, like test tools available, RPT, rational performance tester, Silk performer, etc. Geometry is popular. If it is test tool, we can create virtual users, thousands of virtual users, and apply the load using two or three systems. From first system means host system 3000, next to first guest 1000, second guest 1000, like using two or three computers we can apply thousands of load by creating virtual users. So for performance testing, automated testing is mandatory. Thank you.